Hey guys, I am here with the owner of Grasshoppers Total Lawn Care. A good friend of mine, Mike, my husband and I have known him for a couple of decades. We swear by him, and I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to get to know him and his business and what they offer here in Alachua County. So I'll let you take it from here.
All right, thank you so much. Yeah, as she mentioned, we've been friends quite a while, long before I started this business. But in about the last decade, we've, gotten off the ground with this business and moved forward to start doing some pretty stunning spaces. So we do landscaping, lawn maintenance, irrigation, outdoor lighting, putting greens, pavers, and pretty much anything in your outdoor space. We do it from A to Z. We do all our work in-house. We are Alachua County based. We pretty much stay in Alachua County. Been here a long time, have grown up here, got all our friends and family in the area.
What made you get into hardscaping specifically? Because you started really as like general landscaping and lawn care. Yep. What made you get into hardscaping? So
early on, I would kind of look at images of other people in the industry doing kind of some next level stuff and thought, man, that'd be amazing if we could start doing that, in the future. And at that time, it was just a dream. And then over time, we started doing little stuff. I think my first paver pad was something for a person to put their doghouse on. It was like 6 by 8 foot, little tiny thing. And I think that we kind of present a different option than most of these companies out here in terms of doing some really custom and neat stuff, kind of the sky's the limit. And just kind of naturally evolved into wanting to do more. It's kind of the person I am. I always want to push the envelope, always want to, see what we can do next and, be the best that we can be. So myself and my team have really been pushing the envelope the last few years and trying to do some pretty cool stuff for, our neighbors and friends. Yeah,
you guys have done some amazing projects. I love watching you on social media, seeing what you're doing. But the most important thing and why I happily share your name all over town is because you were incredibly trustworthy. You were true to your word, and you're always super fair. I've compared your business to many others in town. I can always rely on you. You're always going to show up. You're going to give it your best. You want it to look like you would want something at your own home to look. And you're just a good person. And so it's really easy to support you. And I just love what you're doing in our community, and I wanted to share that with other people. So if you need general lawn maintenance, if you want to do something really cool with your property, Mike's really great at getting creative, and I know you won't be disappointed. So thanks.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.